parehas kayo ng problema ni Rose at ni Elmo. After the tears dried and the goodbyes were said, Elmo walked 7 miles east while Rose ran 5 miles west and then 5 miles south. Chasing the memories they left behind, what is the distance between their shattered hearts now? Pag ang questions ay may binigay na distance indicating its direction, mahalagang i-plot natin siya in terms of north, east, west, and south. Sabi sa question, si Elmo ay naglakad ng 7 miles papunta sa east. Samantalang si Rose naman ay tumakbo ng 5 miles papunta sa west. Tapos lumiko siya papunta sa south ng 5 miles din. Nandito ang puso ni Elmo at nandito naman ang puso ni Rose. At ang distansya nila sa isa't isa ay hindi pa natin alam. Nakabuo tayo ng triangle ayon sa figure. Dahil dito, dapat alam natin yung Pythagorean theorem na c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared and c is equals to its hypotenuse. Makita natin sa figure that a is equals to 5 at ang b naman ay equals sa 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Pwede na nating isubstitute yung a and b into the equation. C squared is equals to 5 squared plus 12 squared. 5 squared is equals to 25. 12 squared is equals to 144. 25 plus 144 is equals to 169. Kunin natin ang square root ng both side at ang pagitan ng dalawang pusong sugatan ay 13 miles.